There's a lot of money in today's strategy, guys, and if you follow all the steps, you can make some nice money for yourself. It is easy, it is profitable, and it is beginner friendly. So hit that subscribe and let's go and get that money. First of all, this is the website that is free and you can create anything with this one, okay? Anyone can use it. Wherever you live, you can get money with the help of this website. The website is called Crello.com and you can see design it your way. So you can create whatever you want, okay? They have a lot of these templates. So for example, you can design your story for Instagram, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, logos, business cards, invitations, and all of that stuff. Now, the cool thing about this one is that it doesn't require any skill of yours, okay? It is completely beginner friendly, okay? They have all the templates. And best of all, guys, this is for free, okay? It works just like Canva does, all right? But when you go over to Canva and, for example, I don't know, maybe you just take this Instagram story. When you go on Canva, you have a lot of these like with these crowns. And this crown means that you have to pay for it. So, for example, for this one, you have to pay for it because it is the pro version. You have on Canva a lot of these which don't have crowns. Of course, you can use these for free, but there are a lot of these which you have to pay for. But Crello.com is not like that. Crello.com, all of these are for free, okay? All of these are for free. They have some like paid options, which is seen on this pricing option, but it is way more better than Canva. It is less expensive. It is only $10 per month. And when you go on Canva, you will see that plans and pricing for this one, for pro version, is a lot more, okay? So you can see the prices. You can see that monthly it is $12.99. So $13 on Canva.pro. But you don't need to buy any one of these. And you can see that apart from these unique templates, you have like assets library. You can remove backgrounds from images. That's a nice feature. And you can just animate anything with a click, okay? They also have some audio files which you can use in order to make your designs better. So Crello.com is a really nice thing. So you can just make yourself an account here real quick. You can just create an account and you will have access to everything. Now, you don't have to go with your first name, email address. You can just sign up with Google. That's going to be way more faster, of course. Now, the main reason why this website is not so expensive and it is not so popular is that it doesn't have a lot of traffic yet, okay? It's a brand new website, which is similar to Canva. And you can see this statistic, okay? This info can give us a notion of why this is the case. So, Crello.com on SimilarWeb, we can see that it has only 42,000 visits in a month. So each month there's only 42,000 people. So it's not so popular website, okay? You can never find something like this, but you can see that it is growing, okay? And while it is growing, there's the chance for us because sooner rather than later, the website is gonna gain in popularity and it will maybe surpass Canva.com itself. For example, if you take a look at Canva.com on SimilarWeb, you can see these guys have 342 million total visits. That's why Canva.com can charge more. That's why they have a lot more of those templates. And you can see that it is a constant number when it comes to Canva. Okay, so avoid Canva for now. And let us go back to Vista Create, which is Crello.com. So for this example for today's strategy, I wanted to show you something with logos. So if you go on logo section here, you can just select a template, whichever one you want in order to make a logo for yourself or for your customer, okay? I'm gonna come to that later. For now, I just want to tell you, I just want to show you how easy this is actually. So, for example, I don't know, this one looks good. So this is like for some hiking club, and this works. If you ever worked with Canva, this is similar, way similar. It is so easy to like get the main things on here. For example, you can move this around, you can change the text inside of it, you can change the size of this, you can do whatever you want to make it look good. And of course, you can always change. You can see that you can start from scratch and replace this one. So if you have a customer which has like Thai food, this is a good logo for him, okay? It looks nice, it's simple, yet is effective, okay? But how can we make money with this? Where are those people who are looking for these logos? Well, I'm going to tell you that in a bit. So first of all, just make yourself acquaintable with this one. Just see what's what, where you can do something. And when you are done, of course, you can just search for these. You can see there are a lot of these elements which you can add. And when you're done, just click on the download button. And then you can just download this one in JPG, PNG, whatever your customer designs. You can even animate these things. So that's pretty cool. But now let's go to a website which is actually going to pay us for this. Now, here's the deal, okay? Fiverr.com, guys. It has a lot of traffic, and a lot of these people are making money with logos. Let me actually show you what I mean, guys. Just take a look at this. This person is, for example, doing this like 3 modern minimalist logo design for $25 each. And just take a look at this. If I go inside, I can see that this person sold 7,000 of these. Okay, 7,000 of these sales. I mean, that's incredible. And this is only the basic package, which is like $25. This is like a basic logo, which honestly, Crello can create for a few minutes. Alright, you see where I'm heading? You see how easy this is actually. You see this logo like this sweet dreams that this person already made? It is so simple, guys. You don't even have to use Crello for this. You can just write it in Paint, you know? But let's just see what this person is offering. Just take a look at this. Really, really easy logos to make. And you can see the standard package is $55 and the premium one is $95 per each one of those logos, okay? So it's really, really cool, okay? So just take a look at this. If I just take these 7,000 sales, if I just take that number and if I multiply that by 25, so that's the basic package. Let's just say that that person only sold basic packages. Well, that's gonna be $182,000. Now, that's crazy amount of money if you ask me, guys, just for logos. And you can be there as well if you just apply yourself. If you go and do some research about logos and you use Crello.com. But this is only one person, right? We have seen that there are a lot of these guys and girls who are just doing that work for a lifetime, okay? So they just go with the logos. And trust me, if you just do this for a while, you will get more professional, okay? Then you will know what to create. When a customer comes to you, you will immediately know what he or she is asking for. And you can just make logos based on their own wishes and desires, okay? It's really good thing, guys, and Crello.com can help you with that, with these logos that they give you for free, okay? I highly recommend that you go and do this, guys, because there's a lot of money into it and not a lot of work in this side. So just go and take the action, and I'll catch you later.